Hello everyone, today I am going to start a new topic, that is counting figures. Okay, what do you mean by the counting figures? Figures means any shape like triangle, circle, square, rectangle. Okay, so any 2D surface or the 2D shape formed by the lines or the curves is known as a figures. So in exams like NEFT, NIT, definitely in seed and USEED. So different types of questions comes on counting figures. Questions comes may like you have to count triangles in this shape, or you have to count the number of the squares. Okay, so here we will study about how to count the number of the shapes. Okay. Okay, here we can see there is a tessellations, or you can say that there is a number of the shapes forming different types of the triangles. Okay, this triangle is formed by the three lines. The shape which is formed by the three lines is known as a triangle. Okay, what do you mean by the right angle triangle? A right angle triangle is the triangle forming the 90-degree. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangles means the all sides are equal. So in the question they will be given that you have to find which types, or you have to count which types of triangles. Here if we can see that the single triangle is made by three lines, and then we can calculate it as a number of triangle is 1. If we see further, we can see that this triangle is these triangles are more in this figure, also forming a bigger triangle. If we start to calculate from 1, 2, 3 and 4, so number of the small triangles are 4, and the 1 is the bigger triangle, also forming a shape of a triangle. So we will calculate that also, and total number of triangles are 4. Okay, in the third figure we can see that the figure is more complicated than the second one, and we can start counting by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so we counted the small triangles. There are number of small triangles are 9, and when we see that the also forming the triangles, the bigger ones, combinations of the small triangles. So this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So total number of the triangles are having the 4 small triangles are 3. If we see that there is also a bigger triangle which is formed by the 9 smaller triangles, so this is also a 1. So number of triangles are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So total number of triangles are 13. Okay, if we move forward further, that we can see here the triangle is having the more number of smaller triangles, then we can also easily calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, if we start calculating the triangles, then this is forming the one triangle, this is forming the another triangle, and this is forming the 3 triangles. So number of triangles are 16 plus 3. Okay, okay, if we see that this is also forming a triangle, one triangle is this and one triangle is this is also 3 plus the bigger one. Okay, so plus 1. So 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. The total number of triangles are 23. Also, you have to keep in mind there is also bigger triangles, which you can see that these triangles, these are also numbered in 3. So 3 becomes 26. Okay, so total number of triangles are 26. In the second, in the lower question, you can see that how we can calculate the triangles in this question. Here the shape is forming a star and the inside is a hexagon. So number of smaller triangles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 plus number of the other number of triangles in the hexagon are 6. 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 plus 6 becomes 12. Another, we can start triangles forming this. So this will also form a triangle and this shape will also form the triangles. Plus 3 plus, you can see that there is a, this shape is also forming a triangle. Similarly, this side is also having a triangle and this side is also having a triangle. So in mind only you have to draw, or you have to count only one. In mind you have to calculate that there are 3 triangles, there are 3 similar triangles, so you can calculate easily. Okay, so 6, 6, 12, 12, 3, 15, 15, 3 is 18. Okay, then the bigger triangles. Okay, so 2 are the bigger triangles, and then you can calculate the total number of triangles are 20. Okay, so here is the first question of the number of triangles, how to calculate the number of triangles. So these are the 2 questions that have already came in the exams like NID and NEFT. This question has came in NID and both questions have already came in NEFT. So these are the simple ones which we can calculate easily. So there are also 2 types of figures. One is the symmetrical figures and another is the unsymmetrical figures. So if we draw a symmetrical figure, these are the type of the symmetrical figures in which which is the, maybe the vertically they are symmetrical, means left side is similar to the right side, or they may be horizontally similar, or maybe you can say the mirror image. So the upper part is also similar with the lower part. Okay, if we talk about the unsymmetricals, so these 2 figures are the unsymmetricals one, which we cannot divide in the symmetrical figures, or we can divide this in a symmetrical figure, but this line is going through a triangle. Okay, if we start calculating this, so if we start calculating this star for calculating the number of triangles, then if we start from this point, so this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4 and 5. So number of the small triangles are 5, plus these triangles are also forming the combinations. For example, if we take this triangle and this triangle, so this shape is also forming a triangle. Okay, and if we take this and this, they are also forming the triangles. So these this triangle is used twice and these are used as a once and once. So number of triangles formed are 2, plus if we take this triangle, so this triangle is formed, okay, by using this shape and this shape. And if we talk about these two triangles, first and third, these are also forming the two triangles, so number of triangles are 2. So this is used once, this is used once, these are all used twice, okay. So by using, or you can take the another color, okay, so this can be taken as a triangle. So 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, because these have already be taken up by the other triangles, okay. So total number of triangles are 10. So 10 is the right answer for this question, okay. Now if we see this question, this is also unsymmetrical one. We cannot divide them, if we cannot divide them in a horizontal or the vertical axis, so we should start calculating by dividing them in a different figures. If we see that this figure is, we start calculating the triangles in this part, only in this part, okay. So 1 2 3 4, like this bigger one, 4 5 and 6. So total number of triangles in this rectangle, under this rectangle is 6 plus. If we take this part, okay, so number of triangles are only 1. If we talk only this part, number of triangles is 1. If we combine the first and the second figure, like upper and the lower, like this part and this part, if we combine, then the total number of triangles are, so we have calculated the 1, the another is 2, 3, and then another one is 4, okay. So total number of triangles are 4. Okay, rest, if we start calculating the number of triangles in this part, the number of triangles in this part is 1 2 and total is 3. So 3 triangles, 3, then 4 5 5 are there. So 5 4 9 9 6 is equals to 15. So 15 is the answer for this questions, okay. As you will start doing by yourself, you will understand that how you can do easily, okay. Now in this figure we see that you have to calculate the number of triangles and number of the squares. Sometimes the questions comes that you have to calculate the both the figures, okay. So it may be the number of the options should be given. So like if given 9 10 12 and 14, here you have given like these are the triangles 9 10 12 and 14. I'm taking this example to make you understand. And squares numbers are given as 6 6 and 8 8. So by options you have to choose that what you have to start first, okay. You by seeing the options you can see that the there are two probability of counting of number of the squares, like 6 or 8, okay. So if you start calculating the square, you have to definitely calculate the triangles. But if you have calculated the number of triangles, then you don't have need to calculate the number of squares, because the number of number of triangles are different, okay. So if the answer comes 14, you will definitely tick the D1. If the answer is 10, you will definitely tick the B1. But in the squares, if the answer is 8, if the answer comes, this number of squares is 8 in your solution, then you have to definitely to calculate the number of triangles. So this will take lot of time in calculating the number of triangles and number of squares. So start picking from the options also, okay. So if we start calculating, here we will study how to calculate the triangles and square. I will make you understand both for both questions. So here if we start for number of triangles, so we can see that the figure is vertically symmetrical and horizontally symmetrical. Okay, if we take this part only, okay, there are these we can see in the four equal parts. So we will calculate for this part, and then we will multiply to the this one, and then we will multiply to the this one. So here we can see the triangles is 1 2 3 and definitely 4. Okay, so 4 is the number of triangles in this phase, and then we will multiply for the another shape, because if the number of triangles are 4 in the first figure, then another in the second figure में भी 4 ही होंगे. So we will multiply it by 2, so that we can calculate the number of triangles easily. Number of triangles easily. So number of triangles in both the figures is 8. Okay, so these figures are different, like they are apart, and then we can calculate 8. But if we combine both the figures by the single line, so this line is also forming some triangles. For example, this triangle, which are common to both. Okay, this triangle and this triangle, which are common in both, so we will add to them. So this comes number of triangles 10. Okay, so process क्या है कि first we will calculate the number of triangles in the left part or maybe the right part, and then we will combine. And after combining, or you can say after multiplying to the number of the figures, then we will add to the number of the figures which are in common in those figures. Okay, so 8 in plus 2 is 10. Then we can see that this upper figure, we have calculated the number of triangles in the upper figure. So number of triangles in the upper figure is equal to the number of triangles in the lower figure. So if the number of triangles are 10 in the upper figure, so नीचे भी 10 ही होंगे. So we will calculate by multiplying by 2. So 10 into 2 is 20. Okay, so 10 into 2 is 20. Now we have to add those triangles which are equal, which are common in both upper and lower. So here we can see this triangle, this bigger one, and similarly in the right one, this and this. Okay, so 4. Now left or right दोनों में हो गया है. So we will see that there is a one small square and one is a bigger square. If we talk about the diagonal, अगर हमारे पास just a second, मैं इनको चेंज कर दूँ ताकि easily आ जाए. अगर ये diagonal है, if this is a diagonal, so diagonal is also forming. अगर किसी स्क्वायर का एक diagonal है, so वो भी triangle form करता है, 1 और 2. और अगर उस 2 diagonal हैं, so ये भी triangle form करेंगे. So if there are 2 diagonals, then there are 4 equal similar triangles. So 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle and 4 triangle. So plus 4 plus एक बड़ा triangle, एक बड़ा square भी है. So it is also having a diagonal. It is also having a diagonal. So this is also forming a triangle, combining these two bigger triangles, and this is also forming a triangle. So similarly this is also a diagonal. So ये भी एक बनेगा यहाँ पे triangle, और यहाँ पे भी एक triangle बनेगा. So we will add the 4 more. Okay, so 24, 28 and 32. So total number of triangles are 32. Okay, I think you all have understood this. Once again I have to revise this. Okay, So you have to follow a process is what? Firstly you have to see the figure is symmetrical or unsymmetrical. If it is symmetrical, then you have to divide in the basic figures, in the basic like shape, in which you can calculate easily the number of triangles or the number of the squares. And then you have to move further, then you have to multiply with the number of shapes and then add the common part which collaborate with those figures. Okay, now if we have to calculate the number of the squares, we will follow the same process. In this part we will calculate the number of square firstly. So this is the number, this is the square shape. Okay, so this, there is a small square, this is one, and there is a bigger one like this part forming a square, this is 2. So 2 into, if we will multiply with the left ones, 2 into 2 becomes 4. Okay, if we add, if we like, we can see that there is a no common square, there is a common rectangle but there is a no common square, so we have no option of adding any square. Okay, so 4 comes, and then we can see that the upper shape is similar to the lower shape, so we can multiply with the 2 because the upper body is similar to the lower body. So 4 into 2 becomes 8. Okay, now 8 comes, and we can see that now we can have the number of common squares. The smaller one, 1, and the bigger one, 10. So total number of squares are 10. Okay, so 10 is the right answer for the squares. By options you can also see here the option I have taken like without knowing the answer, so answers are different, but I was giving you just an example of that how you can calculate through options. Now in the third question you can see that the question comes that an intersection is a point where two or more lines or curves meet or cross. How many intersections are there in the figure given below? So what do you mean by the intersection? Intersection means when two or more lines intersect is known as a intersection point. Like for example, if these two lines are crossing, so this is a intersection point. For example, if 3 lines are crossing, so this is the intersection point. If these are crossing at different lines, so there are 3 intersection points. So in this way you have to calculate the number of intersections, but the process is same. Here also you can see that it is a similar figures. So in this part, if we calculate the number of intersection points, so intersection points are 1 and 2. We will these intersection point we will take in the common part, because these are also having this shape and this is also having this shape and this shape. So we will calculate in the after multiplying with the shapes. So two are the in this square, 2 are the points. So 2 into 2, if we calculate with this, so 2 into 2 becomes 4, and then add the common points. So common points are 1 and 2. So common point we will add 2, this becomes 6. So in the upper shape there are total number of intersection points are 6. So we will calculate with by multiplying with 2. So 6 to the 12, and then we will add with the common points. So common points comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so if we will add 12 to 5, then it becomes 17. So 17 is the right answer. Here you can see, you can easily calculate the number of intersection points. Okay, after practicing you will feel that this is the easy part and you can easily get marks in this part. Okay, so next question, if we can see that there is written a right angle triangle, है ना. Try to read questions carefully. जल्दी जल्दी में ट्राइंगल्स पढ़ लोगे तो फिर आंसर गलत आ जाएगा. ओके, क्योंकि राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द सिंपल ट्राइंगल. ओके, सो यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. So what is right angle triangle? A right angle triangle, the line which is perpendicular to the another line and forming the 90 degree. Okay, perpendicular is same like forming 90 degree to another so triangle. So this is not a right angle triangle because this angle is more than 90 degree and this is called as a obtuse angle. Okay, this is acute angle. Acute angle is less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. Sorry. Options are no? More than 90 degree and acute angle is less than 90 degree. Okay. So these topics you will see in other topics. Okay. So here you have to calculate the number of the right angle triangle. Similarly, in this we will have the same process. We have to divide the shape into the two equal parts, like in four equal parts, but in the two lines, horizontally and vertically. We will take the again this shape. So we will start calculating the right angle triangle by forming the 90 degree. So this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 90 degree. So 1, 2, this bigger one, 3, and this bigger one, 4. So 4 into 4 यहाँ है तो 4 यहाँ पे भी होंगे. So 4 into 2 is 4 to the 8. Okay, so now we have to calculate the common triangles. So this is common triangle, this is common triangle, but is this forming the right angle triangle? यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री बन रहा है. We know that the rectangle diagonals that does not cross at 90 degree. They form the 90 degree at the corners, but the diagonals does not cross at 90 degree. Okay, if we talk about the square, so squares definitely form the 90 degree. Or if we talk about the rhombus, so rhombus also forms a 90 degree, but the diagonals of the rectangle doesn't form the 90 degree. So we will not calculate this triangle or this triangle as a right angle triangle. This you have to keep in your mind because this question has came in 2019. Okay, so 8 and then this shape we will multiply with the lower shape. So 8 into 2 is 16. Okay, now you have calculated. Now you have to see the what are the common things. Common things, like we can see that this is the smaller rectangle. Okay, so this is the rectangle, this is the rectangle, these are forming the diagonals. What I have earlier said that they form 90 degree at the corner. So 90 degree at the corner means this is forming the 90 degree. ये यहाँ पे है 90 degree, so this is also forming a 90 degree. अगर यहाँ पे 90 degree है तो this is also forming 90 degree and this is also forming 90 degree. So 16 plus 4 becomes 20 and this is also a 90 degree forming because this shape is also a rectangle. So 90 degree and 90 degree. So this will also form the triangle, right angle triangle. So 4 triangles will be formed. So answer will be 24. So 24 is the correct answer for this. Okay, so here you can also see you have to calculate the total number of triangles. This question already came in the C 2020 last year, like this year only. So this looks very simple and you can also do very quickly. So start doing that. So we can calculate number of triangle like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So total number of the smaller triangles are 24 plus. Here you can see that the formation of triangle due to the 4 smaller triangles are also possible. So this is one. Similarly, this is also forming a triangle. So 1, 2. Similarly in this figure, 3, 4, okay, 5 and 6. So 6. Now some of the people may say that this is if this can be joined, this will also form the triangle. कुछ लोग ये वाला ट्रायंगल भूल जाएंगे करना क्योंकि ये दिख नहीं रहे हैं. सो ज़्यादातर लोगों ने आंसर टिक किया था, जो टिक तो नहीं करना था, एनईटी में आया था, बिकॉज दीज टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कम्स इन द एनईटी पार्ट, न्यूमेरिकल आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस वेयर यू हैव टू टाइप द आंसर इन द न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू. ओके, सो ज़्यादातर लोगों का 30 आ गया था बिकॉज उन्होंने ये डाला नहीं देखा था. सो दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स आर ऑल्सो फॉर्मिंग एंड हेंस you have to add these two also. So the answer will be 32, not 30. Okay, this was quite easy and you can easily do, but पेपर के प्रेशर में क्या होता है, जल्दी जल्दी नहीं हो पाता है, इसीलिए. ठीक है, बट दिस नीड्स लॉट्स ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. प्रैक्टिस होगी तो जल्दी से आंसर आ जाएगा. ओके, सिमिलरली इन दिस क्वेश्चन we can see that you have to calculate the number of the squares in the given figure, and the question has already came in 2016 seed. Okay, ठीक है. So the people who are preparing for NEFT, उन्हें इतना डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because generally these types of questions comes in, like these types of complicated questions comes in seed and UC. Okay, बट हाँ, जो यू सीड एंड सीड की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं उन्हें ये करना ज़रूरी है. ओके, सो वी हैव डिवाइडेड द होल figure into the 4 equal parts with dividing horizontally and vertically. Okay, so we will start calculating the number of squares in the first part, and then we will multiply to the other parts and add the combined parts. So we can calculate number of squares in this way: 1, 2, 3 and 4, like smaller shapes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then is bigger one, 5 and 6. Okay, then 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, then the combined one is 11, and then this is 12 to 13, 14, 15, 16, and the bigger one is 17. So total number of the squares in this figure will be 17. अगर हम इस फिगर से इस फिगर में जाते हैं, so similar figure है, so we will multiply by 2. So 17 into 2 is 34. 34 के बाद अगर we can see कि इन दोनों में कॉमन स्क्वायर आ रहा है, कहाँ पे आ रहा है, यहाँ पे आ रहा है, like blue. You can take the blue color. ये वाला है जो that is common, so we will add plus 1. So this answer becomes 35 for the upper figure only. So for the upper figure and lower figure are similar, so we will multiply by 2. So 35 into 2 is 70. Okay, 35 into 2 is 70. So अगर ऊपर और नीचे को कंबाइन किया है, सो कितने सिमिलर यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं. सो एक यहाँ पे एक मुझे दिख रहा है स्क्वायर, सो दिस स्क्वायर 1, this is 2, and similarly here this is 3 and 4. समझ में तो आया ना? यहाँ पे ये है एक स्क्वायर फॉर्म हो रहा है, एक ए स्क्वायर फॉर्म हो रहा है, एक ए स्क्वायर फॉर्म हो रहा है और एक ये स्क्वायर फॉर्म हो रहा है. सो 4 आ गया है, 4, 5, I should change the color so that you can understand easily. 4 हो गया ना? Now the bigger one. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 and the bigger one is 9. So if we add 9, this answer becomes 79. This is the correct answer. Okay, maybe कुछ लोगों को समझ में नहीं आया होगा, so I think I should explain once again. So एक काम करती हूँ, ये साइड वाला तो आई थिंक आ गया होगा, ये वाला कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. ये तो आ गया होगा 1 2 3 4, बिगर वन इज 5 5 6, ओके, 7 8 7 8 9 10 11, ओके, 12 13 14 15 16 and 17. So 17 कैसे आया? ऐसे आया 17. वाई भी मल्टीप्लाई 2 बिकॉज हम लेफ्ट से राइट से लेफ्ट की तरफ जा रहे हैं. सो सिमिलर जगह पे हमें कौन सा जो सिमिलर स्क्वायर मिल रहा है जो कि कॉमन हो इस दोनों में. सो दैट्स वाई आई हैव ऐड 1. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या है, इसको रख करके फिर हम आगे क्या करते हैं. तो आपको क्या होगा, इजीली समझ में आएगा. ओके, सो यहाँ तक आ गया कि 35 तक कैसे आया, 34 + 1 35 कैसे आया जब हम इधर से इधर गए थे. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, हमारा जो ये डिवाइड है अगर हम ऊपर को नीचे को कंबाइन कर देते हैं तो कौन से कॉमन आएंगे. पहले तो 35 × 2 70 आ गया. ठीक है, अब कंबाइंड वाले कौन से बन जाएंगे. एक तो हम देख पा रहे हैं कि जो उस लाइन के थ्रू जा रहा है वो ये बन रहा है, एक 2 3 4. सो 4 ये बन रहा है, लाइक 1 2 3 एंड 4. 4 ये बन गया. अभी 4 5 no sorry not this bigger one 5. छोटा वाला तो पहले ही कैलकुलेट कर लिया था. 5 6 7 and 8 कैलकुलेट कर लिया. एंड द बिगर वन इज 9. सो ये 9 कैसे आया, ऐसे आया. So 70 + 9 comes 79. So this is your answer. I hope you have understood this. ठीक है, इजी है, प्रैक्टिस होगी तो आ जाएगा. ऐसा कुछ इसमें इशू नहीं है इसको करने में. देखने में थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लगता है, इट्स वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बट इट्स नॉट. प्रोसेस फॉलो करो एंड देन यू कैन गेट ओवर दिस. ठीक है. सो अभी मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चन से डिस्कस किए हैं, देन वी विल डिस्कस मोर क्वेश्चंस. ओके. आई होप you like this session. Thank you and bye bye and take care.